In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Facebook profile lock option not showing on your account. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap your profile picture to go to your profile page. Once your profile opens, tap the three dots next to the Edit Profile button to open more profile options. Look through the list to see if the Lock Profile option appears. If you don't see it, the first thing you should do is update the Facebook app. Open your phone's App Store, search for Facebook, and install the latest update if one is available. After updating, reopen the app and check your profile options again. If the option is still missing, go to the menu icon, tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and review your profile privacy settings to make sure your account is not set to public everywhere. You can also try logging out of the app and logging back in, or clearing the app cache from your phone settings to refresh the features. In some cases, the option may only appear in certain regions, so it may not be available on every account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.